the first video of at least 4 or 5 that I'm going to make about design space. So on your right side here, you can see this, it's like a guide that has all the parts of design space, and that's going to be available for download for free. And I'm going to use this as a guide to explain it on the design space. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about this upper menu up here. That's what it's up here. You see? So you have the 3 lines, and these 3 lines, they just open a design space menu. And we'll go into this in another video. Okay? Then you have canvas. When you press this canvas, it takes you straight to the canvas. Let's say you're here and, for example, looking at images and you want to go back to your canvas. You just press canvas and it takes you back. Here, this is the title of the name that you put on your project. In this case, it's untitled because I haven't saved any name. My projects. It just shows you all the projects you have. Or you can also go into Cricut Community Projects, Cricut Access, so on. And then let me go back to Canvas. Save, but I need to put something so we're able to see the save. Save is to save with a name, and once you save it with a name, for example, then you're going to have the option for save or save as. Okay, so let's say that I'm doing a line of stickers, all right? So, and I'm using the same base for the stickers. Let me show you an example. For example, this one's that I'm helping my niece. So what I do is, these are the first ones I did, and this is the same base for all. So once I do the first one, I'll save it as another name, and another name, and another name. And that way I can use the same base, but change the inside stickers. Okay, for example, let's see another one. Here, cupcake toppers. I have my cupcake wrappers, right? And this is like the base. The scallop cupcake base. So when I add a design on it, I'll save it with another name. So let me show you an example here. Here, for example, see TikTok. Well, it says music box because there's something. It has the music notes, but I use that base file and I save it as, and then modify it. Okay. Then here, Maker is where you choose your machine that you're working on. And Make It is to send it to Make It. Let's go into Make It for a minute. So from here, you can change, you can increase the amount of elements that you're working on. You can change the mat size. You can move them, for example, or you can hide them. You can move them to a different mat. For example, move object. And I can just pick another mat. You can even change the color. You see? You're going to mirror your image if it's an HTV. You can rotate it if you need to fit more. Okay? That's basically it. And here you can see it. You see, you send the project to Make It. And here you can change parts of the project to different mats or hide them. Change the quantity to make, mirror it. Change the cutting pressure, and that's what it happens here. Once you hit continue, let's go ahead and show that. Here you're going to set your material. Cricut already has the popular, and then you have your favorites. If you want, we can talk about this. For example, when you're in doubt, because it's a material that you know that you want a deep cut, I will always use glitter cardstock. That's my go-to. When I'm making stickers that are very delicate, and I wanted to have a complete cut out of the paper, I'll use the cardstock for intricate cuts. And I won't change the pressure for this. I will be very careful, and it always does a very good job. When I'm working with vinyl, and it has very small cuts, washi sheet is my go-to. Printable vinyl is when you want a kiss cut for the stickers. What else? When I laminate a photo paper and I want to cut it, I use the plastic packaging. Those are my favorites. Okay, so let's cancel this. Oh, before I cancel, wait, you want to cancel? No. Here, let's me pick this one. Here you're going to change your, the accessories. And one thing important here, if you have a scoring line and you're working with a maker, Cricut automatically is gonna give you the option here for the scoring wheel. You can go to edit tools and pick the scoring stylus if you wanna change that. The fast mode, I almost always work on fast mode. I don't know why there's a slow mode. I'm always in a hurry. Okay, so let's cancel this. And that's it. Yes, that's the first video. So if you have any question, it's easier if you contact me through Cricut Tips in the Instagram. And I'm always looking at my phone and helping each other. Okay? Thank you.